Hello, everyone. Today we're going to deconstruct AI pre-training. We'll explore how we get from these massive general data sets to a smart, business-ready AI that can genuinely help your customers. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is AI pre-training? It's the foundational first step in creating any large language model, and it's also the most resource-intensive part of the entire process. Pre-training creates what I call the whole internet problem. The AI has scanned a massive amount of text, giving it a huge vocabulary and general knowledge. But it knows absolutely nothing specific about your business. It's like a toddler who has heard every word in the dictionary but can't answer a simple question about your company's return policy. To solve this, we need to move beyond pre-training. Let's look at the three key phases of modern AI training, which show exactly how a generalist model is transformed into a specialist expert tailored for your company. Phase 1 is the pre-training we just discussed. In this stage, the model learns the fundamentals of language by scanning trillions of words and predicting the next one in a sentence. The key takeaway for you is that this phase is incredibly expensive. We're talking millions of dollars, and it's handled by tech giants like OpenAI and Google. Your business will almost certainly never need to do this from scratch. Next up is phase 2, fine-tuning. This is where the model essentially gets a job. We take that generalist model and train it on a smaller, curated data set that's specific to its role. Think of your help center articles and internal documentation. Fine-tuning is what transforms an AI that knows a little about everything into an expert on your business, making it truly useful for customer support. The final phase is RLHF, which stands for Reinforcement Learning with Human Feedback. You can think of this as the coaching phase. Here, humans review and rank the AI's answers to refine its behavior. This is how we add a personality and teach the model to be genuinely helpful and harmless, aligning its responses with what your customers actually want and expect. And that brings us to a crucial point. Generic models will only ever give you generic answers. So, what's the solution? It's what we call instant fine-tuning. Modern AI platforms have turned what used to be a months-long data science project into a simple automated process. By connecting knowledge sources like Zendesk or Confluence, tools like eesel AI can instantly specialize a model on your unique business context. Let's put the difference into perspective. Pre-training from scratch costs millions of dollars and can take years of work. In contrast, a modern AI platform can deliver a fully specialized model in just minutes or days, all for a predictable, manageable fee. This brings us to a critical question. How do you choose the right AI solution for your business? The key takeaway here is that it's not really about the base model. It's about the tools you have to specialize and control it. When evaluating solutions, your top priorities should be control and safety. You should never just flip a switch and hope for the best. The best platforms allow you to test with confidence. For example, a simulation mode, like the one we have in eesel AI, can show you exactly how the AI would have handled your past support tickets before it ever interacts with a live customer. As one leader in the space put it, the focus for support leaders shouldn't be on the nitty-gritty of building AI, but on choosing a platform that makes specialization easy, controllable, and effective. And that really sums up our entire approach. So, are you ready to move beyond generic AI? It's time to stop worrying about the complexities of model training and start focusing on what really matters, delivering fast, accurate, and automated support to your customers. Thank you.